Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see GE Universal Remote Setup for TCL Roku TV. So guys, control your TCL Roku TV with your GE Universal Remote in just few steps. How you can do it? First step is guys, press the setup button. So guys, press and hold the setup button until the red indicator lights turn on. Then guys, select TV mode. Press the TV mode. The red light will blink once on stay. Second thing is guys, enter the code for the TV. Enter one of the following code using the number of the button. If you are using the TCL, so you use this code. The most common is 11756. After that, test the remote. Press the power button. If the TV turned off, the code worked. Otherwise, select it automatically. Then press the setup button again. Then red light will turn off. If does not work, so try to the next code from the list. Make sure your TV pointing. You make sure your remote pointing towards the TV. Press the power after each code to test. Method 2, auto code search. Press and hold the setup button. Press TV red light blink once. Then press and hold the channel changing buttons and repeatedly until the TV turns back on. Then press setup to lock in the code. Okay. And guys, you also use here. I am show you. These are the power button, then volume adjust button, mute, channel changing, and not used on Roku TV. Home goes to the Roku home screen. These are the arrow keys. For shortcut button you use for Netflix, Hulu and Sling. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.